I'm so excited to tell you that the new Create and Flourish Art Journal Challenge is starting. The materials are in front of me. I'm just working on them at the moment. So the preparation is underway, and I'm going to be releasing some videos soon that build up to the actual go day, and you'll be able to make yourself a journal, some embellishments to go in that. I've got all the prompts here, so I've got the prompts in front of me, and I've got those so that you'll be able to print them out and use them. It's going to be quite a different one this time. So it's going to be called the 25 Days of Creative Light. So there'll be 25 main prompts, and it's going to be an Advent challenge, and we're going to be doing it in the month of December leading up to the 25th of December. But after that, there'll be another 5 additional prompts for us to prepare for the year ahead. So I think it's a great way to finish the year, and I hope that you're going to be on board as well. I'm really having such a good time preparing this stuff, and I can't wait to share it with you. So I hope that you're on board as well. If you are, sign up using the link below. I'll put a description there. There is a sign up page, and that way you'll be informed of all the developments, and you'll be given all of the downloads and things like that as well when they come out. I'll be doing some videos on building a journal, so you can participate in that if you like, but you don't have to. There'll be a few videos on building some embellishments to go in that as well, on the theme that I have chosen to do. Again, you don't have to do that. You can literally just get yourself a little sketch pad or just some sheets of paper. Honestly, you can do this any way you like. But if you want to join in, then sign up below, and then you'll be informed when all the things come out. Thanks so much. I can't wait for this to come out, and I'm really looking forward to doing it with you. Take care. Bye.